All right, welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix this broken hair clip. Let's get started. Now, personally, I am a bald man. I do not use hairpins, but my daughter and my wife do. And they came to me, one of the two, I can't remember, looking to fix this broken hairpin. So I was like, okay, how can I fix this? And I tried several times and it was like actually quite difficult. So let me show you what to do and what not to do. All right, so here we go. We've got all the parts laid out. You can see there's two plastic parts and then there's a pin and a spring. We're gonna align the plastic parts kind of like this, one on top of the other. And here's the spring that I was talking about. Now, if you kind of bend the spring, you can kind of see there's a little play, right? And so that's the part that bends down, and it needs to be inserted back into this plastic piece with the pin actually going through. Kind of, I know my big meaty thumbs are in the way, but kind of like that, right? So the pin has to go through those two pieces, and the spring has a circular middle, a hollow middle, and the pin needs to go through that. And if you kind of like just try to hold everything in place and do it, what do you think's going to happen here? If you're watching this video, you probably know because you've tried it and you can't figure it out. So it's just really difficult to be able to do this. I tried this several times and it just kind of keeps popping out, and you can play around with the angle and whatnot, but end of the day, it's pretty tough. So the big question here is, well, what to do? So let me show you. We're going to put the two plastic pieces on top of each other. We're going to put the pin through the first two holes like this, and we're going to use an object. I have just a butter knife here, and with my thumb, I'm going to pull it back and then pry the pin. So, you can see it right there, what I just did, right? So it kind of pops through and it sticks out the other side. You don't want it to go through the hole on the other side yet because you got to get the spring on there. So with that pin kind of in place, we can take the spring and I know, I'm sorry. My fingers are in the way a little bit, but I'm pressing the spring onto the pin like that. And we just need enough for it to get back there just a wee bit. So I'm prying the bar out a little bit. There it goes. And you can see now the spring can be, it has access to kind of slide down the pin, and it takes a little bit of fingernail, a little bit of effort there, but there you go. So you can see now the spring is successfully on the pin. Now we just need to push the pin through the remaining two slots, make sure that's aligned. You can use your thumb and your forefinger to kind of press that in. You might have to wiggle it a little bit, wiggle some of the parts, but it should push through. And if you can't get it pushed through, consider using a butter knife to kind of push it through. But that's how you do it. Can you see that? We are operational once again. Not too bad, huh? Hopefully this has helped you out. Thanks for being with me today.